Okay, quick analysis on gold. Looking at the weekly time frame, you can see prices on the way up. We've got descending trend line. If we look from the recent lows, so the highs broken around the 1770 level, 1765 broken, expecting higher prices to come. Drop to the daily time frame, and what we have is price in an uptrend, moving quite nicely, but we have seen a bit of a range forming here the last few days. Ideally, we'll look to the 4-hour time frame for a cleaner setup. Got this ascending trend line, and what we can see is that price has moved from a low to a high. We already have a 61.8 fib rejection, so we can mark a target of around 1830 for the push up. So we've got 1830 as price to the upside, and that is your first target for the 4-hour push up. So what we would do is really look to see what price has been doing last week. We've got swing low here, looks to be a swing high here. We've got 78.6 rejection, and what we can see is that the 0.618 extension lines up with the H4, the first target one, so that's good confluence, and we can have an initial target of 1822. So we can mark that here and change this to H4 target 1, have that 1822, and then we can change this one to, in fact, target 2. Okay, it's fairly straightforward. We've got this trend line going, so ideally what we'd see is some sort of push up and confluence to take this one to these targets on a pullback to the trend line. So I'll be waiting for that this week, possibly new highs, then a pullback to the trend line, matching with a fib level. If we look at our H4 line chart for a potential zone, we have the 1800 level, looks to be quite significant. The zone there, possibly lower. And, sorry, we have the 1800 level, 1799, 1800, maybe around there. So if we do see a pull up from this low, new high, maybe a pullback to this zone here, touch trend line, take it to the highs. So we're looking for buy setups this week on gold.